How's it going? My name's Tucker from Automotive, and today we're in the showroom because one, it is freezing outside, and two, we have the cars all done up for the holidays. So this next to me is a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. This is the Trailhawk, so I'm gonna do a video, talk about all the features and everything about this vehicle. So let's just get right into it. So up front, you're gonna see this really nice blacked out grille. Right below, or right above the nose right here, you have your front facing camera, your LED headlights, and these blue recovery points because it is a Trailhawk. Right here, you can have some really nice off-road tires. It's gonna be 18-inch wheels with some 265 tires. Gonna be perfect for anything, you know, mud, snow, sand, anything like that. And if you look a little bit of that, you have your off-road suspension that will be able to handle any roads possible. Walking on the exterior now, first off, you see this hydro blue, really nice bright blue. It also has the two-tone paint option with the black on top. Looks really sleek, really nice. Next, you have this plug-in option for the hybrid because this is going to be a hybrid vehicle. And just taking a walk, you can take a good look here at the exterior. You have your plug-in for your gas down here as per usual. So coming to the back now, you also see the recovery point down here. You pop the trunk button under here, throw it open, and you can see just how much space is going to be back here for groceries, everything like that. You have your spare tire down here. You can actually fold these down 60-40, give you more room for anything you want back here. So coming inside now, you have these beautiful heated ventilated seats. These are the leather and Alcantara seating, super nice. It also has the blue stitching because it is the 4xe. And now taking a look inside, you have your Uconnect 5 system, all your buttons right here. That's going to be able to control climate, volume, all that. Right here, you're going to have the obviously shifter, the little switch between the driving gear and modes, as well as your sway bar, everything like that. Because this is the Trailhawk, you're gonna have a lot of buttons that will help with the suspension. You're also gonna have this really nice leather steering wheel, dash obviously, but passenger gets a little screen as well. And if you have any more questions that I haven't already answered, or you think that this one might be the one for you, if you call right now, we'll even throw in this boat for you. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101. If you want to give us a call or come on in and check out for yourself.